Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a special filing, an 8K CAD from Victory Capital Holdings. It's like a corporate treasure map, and we're here to find the hidden gold, or maybe just some interesting rocks. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked to the description below. Come join us and post your thoughts. So what's up with this filing? Well, Victory Capital just made a big move. They bought Amundi's US business. It's like two puzzle pieces coming together, and this report is telling us how that happened. The original report was filed in early April, and this is the amended version, meaning they're adding some important financial details that weren't included the first time around. Specifically, we're getting a look at Amundi US's financials and how the combined company looks on paper. Let's dig into the meat of the deal. Back in July of last year, Victory Capital and Amundi agreed that Victory would take over Amundi's US business. Amundi's US business, or Amundi US, includes a couple of smaller companies it owns. So fast forward to April of this year, and the deal is done. Victory didn't just get Amundi US for free though. They paid for it with stock. They created new shares of their own company and gave them to Amundi. This included both regular stock and a special type of stock called preferred stock. Think of it like this, giving Amundi both voting rights and a guaranteed return. Now, why are we looking at this amended report? Because the first one filed earlier this month was missing some key ingredients: Amundi US's financial statements and some calculations based on how the two companies would look combined. This amended report is adding that missing information. Alright, let's get to the numbers. First, we have the financial statements of Amundi US itself. These are like a report card showing how well Amundi US was doing on its own before it joined Victory. We get to see their performance for the last 2 years, 2024 and 2023. We also get a sneak peek at their performance for the first 3 months of this year compared to the same period last year. Then there's something called pro forma financial information. This is not the real deal. It is more like a what-if scenario. What if Victory and Amundi had been one company all along? These calculations show us how the combined company would have looked both for the first 3 months of this year and for the whole year of 2024. That's the summary of the 8K CAD filing. So what does all this mean for Victory Capital, Tiv? Well, acquiring Amundi US is a big bet on growth. It expands Victory's reach into new markets and investment strategies. Imagine a chef adding a new spice to their signature dish. That's essentially what Victory is doing, hoping to create something even better. The financial statements of Amundi US becoming public reveal the inside look of their business that investors wouldn't normally get. This data, along with the pro forma statements, helps everyone understand the full picture of the combined company. It is worth understanding that these pro forma statements should be considered as estimates, not guarantees. The real combined results could be better or worse. One risk is the integration process. Combining two companies' cultures, systems, and people can be tricky. If not managed carefully, it could lead to problems and cost the company money. But another thing to watch is whether Amundi's clients stick around. Sometimes when a company gets bought, clients can get nervous and take their business elsewhere. Victory needs to make sure these clients feel comfortable and stay with the company. Overall, this acquisition looks like a promising move for Victory Capital. It diversifies their business and gives them a stronger position in the market. However, it's not without risks, and Victory needs to manage the integration carefully to make sure it pays off. Alright, that's our breakdown of Victory Capital's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.